My name is Abdallah Nyambi. I'm a CEO of Preo Tanzania. Preo Tanzania is made up of 5 team members with different expertise in plastic waste management. Let me welcome my dear friends.
Hello, my name is Steward Alphonse Amuli. I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Preo Tanzania. I'm together with my friend
Wenceslaw Soka, the Chief Operating Officer. We also have 2 ladies, Madam Mayasa and Mrs. Joyce, who could not make it because of the COVID-19 situation.
Preo Tanzania deal with a reduction of plastic waste entering in the water bodies. Preo, after collecting this plastic, developing into car bushing and pavement. Up to now, Preo impacted 200 people which get employment, temporary and permanent. And also, we succeeded managed 140 tons of plastic waste per month, which is a huge amount of plastic waste. And also, we are still collecting, but through your support, we expect to do much more. Thank you very much.